Okay, welcome back to building Artemis 2 in Obby Creator. If you look behind me, you can see I did some off-camera grinding. I did make a video, but I made it too late at night, so only lag spike. So I added the arm. So now we just gotta add some. Well, down here we're working on the lights that will actually go on it to light up the bottom of the rocket. And I got this pole from a pre-made. Not one of my pre-mades, one of the already pre-made ones. So we're gonna resize this. Rotate it a little bit. Resize it some more. And the correct color. Get the correct color. Yeah, this is like hidden secrets kind of thing, you know? Using certain parts in the way they're not supposed to be. Can you put effects on these? Yes, indeed you can. Okay, so the heads don't copy, so we'll have to fix that. So I'm not talking a lot. It says I'm focused. I'm locked in. So there we go. Yeah, I don't know if the place where I'm putting all these is the correct place, but let's hope it is. This isn't gonna work the way I want it to. So we're gonna have to find a different, so we'll just have to deal with it. No one's perfect. So now I want to come over here and make like a little countdown area. Oh, no, not down. So anyways, I want to make a countdown area where it's gonna make a little area and there will be a countdown. Press site. pull up a picture. Picture of NASA press site. Picture of NASA's Artemis 2 press site. Picture of NASA's Artemis 2 press site. Picture of press site for Artemis 2. Bro. No, I'll figure it out myself. So we're going to come over here and build the model over here. So it needs to be about this long. Okay. And actually, let me size this up. Copy. T minus 0, 0, boom. I really wish I could make this like actually count down, but unfortunately I can't do that. So that's unfortunate. So we'll just have to do it like this. So now I'll bring it forward. Okay. So now I'll just put this across the whole bottom of my area. So I low-key forgot I was recording. So let's see, is there a fence pre-made? Is there a pre-made fence? No, there is not, but we're gonna add trees. Okay, we'll add more trees in the next episode. But let's go all the way over here. I'm gonna add some invisible barriers over here so you don't go past it, because you're not really supposed to. Because this is where all the models are gonna be made. Boom. So yeah, now there's an invisible wall here. So you don't go into the models area. Well, this is where we build all the models. So let's get the cylinder here. I need to pull up a picture, hang on. Artemis 2 rocket. Okay. So I'm looking at it. What we're making is the centerpiece. Right here. It needs to be a bit smaller to fit the size of ours. That is a tiny cone. That cone is so tiny. So this is not, or that's not the piece I'm looking for. Yeah, I don't know why it's being so difficult with me right now. So it turns out this is the piece I need, because this is the only piece like that this game has. So let's have to do some editing. Okay, so Does this look good, chat? Or not, chat? Tell me down below. Does this look good? Yeah, it's a little little off center, but it's fine. So now we have to build the boosters. So we're gonna take this, copy it, shrink it down just a little, take this, give it that black outline. And I'm making it in a certain way towards not a lag machine. So we need to make this white. So this needs to be the ones. Okay. So we're not going to do the actual NASA font, but we're going to spell NASA at least. So dang, this is a long video. No. Now the hard part, the S. So we're just gonna have to make a blocky S. Nah. I really hope this S turned out good. You guys can't see it, but oh my god. You guys can't see it, but my head, I'm turning my head sideways to see this. Nice. So now we're just gonna take our A from earlier, copy it, bring it up here. This S needs to be lower. Oh my gosh, here. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. NASA. So now we're gonna select all of these. Make them red. I thought the series would be bigger, but no, we're actually about to finish. Booster. Boom. 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 So now we're gonna save this. Main rocket. Confirm. Okay. So we're gonna copy it. Okay, let me pull up the picture again. So I also need to make boost, like the ends and stuff. Now I did say, now in the beginning of this series, I did say I was gonna make a interior. Yeah, it's okay, guys. I will get to it. I changed my mind about that. see, booster, place. Copy. Now this one, place. Now this one right here needs to be a bit lighter. Needs to be the same color over here. Actually, we're going to keep it black because it's fine. So now we got to come back over to the models and start making boosters, which shouldn't be too hard. Rocket boosters. Picture of rocket engine. Okay, so I have it pulled up here. It's not gonna be like exact, but it's gonna be as close as I can get it. Now since Artemis 2 has a multiple, we're gonna keep them this size. So we're gonna make them smaller. So we can put like 3 of them down there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm looking in another part. We're gonna make it really small. We're gonna give it a effect fire. Point the fire down. Put it inside. Make this visible. There we go. We have a rocket booster. Not booster, engine. So let's put fire on upside down invisible. Okay, so we're gonna bring this over here. Put it under the engine like this. So we're gonna bring you up, bring you this way. Bring you down, bring you this way. Sorry, I just remember the funny. I watched a video, like a YouTube short, and like there's this funny comment on it, so just remembered it, and it made me laugh. So, and yeah, like do you guys ever do that? Like it happens at the worst times too. You remember something funny that happened like the day before, like a funny YouTube short you watched that night. Then in class, when your teacher's talking about like something serious, you remember that funny thing and you start laughing. Bruh. Bring it up. And let's... Okay, now the rocket's floating. So we need to bring you up here. Copy this. Rotate. Actually, I miscalculated a little, so that has to be there. We could just resize it. We're gonna resize it later though, so it's fine. I'll resize it back to how it was after we finish this. Yo, what? The backrooms just spawned next to me. Bruh, turn properly. Oh, so it's being weird now. Okay. So yeah, now we're gonna resize this. Oh, someone's here. You checking out my epic build? Because this is actually a pretty sick build. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty good. Personally, I think it's pretty good. You guys might not think that, but I've made some good things in Obby Creator before. This is one of them. Fate Tower is my most successful thing in Obby Creator because, well, I managed to get that one featured, which is a pretty big deal. So I'm gonna put the road sign in. So I'm gonna type a message real quick. Sorry, but I did not make an interior. So I am gonna put a secret teleport pad back here. So that you can, and I'm gonna write a message that says Let's say something like, "Congrats, you found a secret area," and something like that. You found the secret teleport pad to the model area. So, we're gonna actually put, nope, that's fading. We're gonna actually put a TP pad. And we're gonna put another one all the way at the top. We're gonna put it really high up. Bruh. Put it at the top. Not at the top. We're gonna hide it somewhere. But where do we hide it? That's the question. Oh yes, we're gonna hide it back here. No one's gonna be back here. Actually, we're just gonna put it at the top of everything. We're gonna make it so that if you're a parkour guy, it's gonna be up here. It's gonna be right here. And we're gonna resize it. Make it invisible, and boom, there we go. So yeah, that's an Easter. I like putting. Dang, this is almost an hour video. That's crazy. There's still more stuff. Like we have to add like the water spurs. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that because, oh my piece. So you'll come in here. Follow the lighting cues. Now, typically you're gonna stop here because you want to go in the walkway, but if you go up more, you're at the top now. You do parkour. Oh, you got TP here, and then boom. Oh, shoot. So I'm making it so that this will TP you back, but that invisible pad will TP you there. And I'm actually gonna move the invisible pad to on top of the rocket. Three lag messages is crazy. It's actually crazy. So yeah, we're gonna put this right. If you somehow manage, oh my god! Someone had to build the entire back rooms over there. I'm still lagging. That's crazy. Bro, you somehow managed to make it to the top, you get the TP there. Brother, this lag. Wait, is there a water effect? Yes, indeed there is. Boom, 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 boom. Bruh. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Bro! Brother! This lag! Boom, 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 boom. No, not both of them. Are you crazy? Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Bro! I'm telling you, it's this lag that's causing all this. These people have to build the entire back rooms. Build something simple for once. Instead of a lag machine. Bro, I said not a lag machine. Port's not in region, I don't care. Brother, they're not in region. How come I not be in region? Region. I don't care. Blah, blah, blah. That's all you say. Bro, the lag. It's enough. I can't join a new server because, well, that's not how this game works. They're featured obbies. This means they're in every single, oh my gosh. This means they're in every single server. So no matter what server I'm in, there's gonna be a lag machine. It's actually annoying. Because I will crash out. Bro, it's insane how much this game is lagging. Lag detected, temporary hiding particles. Temporary lag detected. Yeah, maybe you should tone down on the lag machine, on featuring lag machines then. Maybe don't feature obbies at all. Problem solved. It's that simple. Bro, if this happens one more time, I'm going to crash. So finally, we finished this series. All it took was 3 videos and 1 hour long. Video. Let's see if anyone wants to come see. Send 1 through 10. Yeah, rocket is kind of. It's the rocket that bugs me. Like everything else is amazing. Like everything else in this is amazing, but it's the rocket that bugs me. It looks wrong. I mean, cause like everything else is amazing. It's the rocket. It bugs me. So yes. So yeah. Let's go. Finally. Now I'm gonna come over here. And we'll take a final screenshot. Let's go. Finally. Time to go edit this video. Bye, guys.